Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade or update your MacBook. So if you want to upgrade or update your MacBook, so what you have to do, first we have to find out whether update is available or not. Okay, so first here you will see your Apple logo. Now click on it and go to system setting. Here if there is an update, you will see one update, system setting. Then click on the system setting. Okay, so when you click on system setting, you will see like this. Now what you have to do, and now here you will see general option. Okay, now click on just general options, and here you will see software update options, software update. Just click on it, and here you will see upgrade is available. Okay, the upgrade's name is a macOS Sequoia 15.3.1. so now what you have to do, just click on upgrade now and click on agree. And now I have to enter my password here. Okay, now click on okay. Now you will see that downloading macOS. Okay, so like this you can update or upgrade your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.